So this next one, we're just going to solve for x. Oops. And they give us 2x squared minus 4x equals 0. So it's already set equal to 0. Cool. Then the first thing I want to do is think, is there something I can factor out? In other words, can I factor something out and toss it to the front? Well, what number goes into 2 and 4 evenly? 2 does, right? Do they both have at least one x? Yeah. So I can factor out 2x. Now, what do I multiply 2x by? What do I multiply this by to get 2x squared? An x, right? So 2x times x will give me 2x squared. Now, what do I multiply 2x by to get negative 4x? This times this has to equal this. So what do I put right here? 2. Yeah, negative 2, right? So now 2x has to equal 0, and x minus 2 has to equal 0. Divide both sides by 2 over here, and I get x equals 0 divided by 2, which is just 0. Over here, I'm going to add 2 to both sides, and I get x equals 2. How can I verify this? Pull out my handy-dandy calculator, and I graph it. So I'm going to say 2x squared. Let's clear the whole thing out. 2x squared minus 4x. Graph it. X equals 0 is the origin, and x equals 2. Yeah, that's right. See? So we're going to zoom in on that bad boy. That's where it crosses. Yikes. So it crosses here and here. Remember, this is x comma y. In both scenarios, y equals 0. So this one, it crosses at 0 comma 0, where the x value is 0. And then this one over here crosses at 2 comma 0, where the x value is 2. See how that works out? Wow, that's pretty cool, Mr. Adams. I know, right?